Come on, you want this?
Get a sip.
No, you should have been here,
Get a
okay?
sip. What up, guys? My name is Antonio, better known as Grande. This is Armand.
What's up?
This is my guest today.
Hello.
We're at Calavera, Mexican kitchen and agave bar, which I'm fortunate to be a part of and run. Let's come inside.
Cocktail time.
This is what we started with, and you guys saw in the production of it. This is what we end up with, and this is what we're going to use today. This is strawberry-coriander infused Ilegal Joven. We're going to do 2 ounces. This is actually our house-made lime mix.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Only at Calavera.
Thank you for the plug. For Ilegal Mezcal. Double plug.
Bam. Oh, yeah. That's a pro move.
Get it. Ice frosted glass. All right, now we're gonna double strain. I have a hawthorn strainer and a fine mesh strainer. Woo! Shake up our Coco whip spuma.
Look at this.
We're gonna need a close up of this.
Look at this. Look at this.
Now give it to me.
Oh, damn, that's good. Too good. It reminds me like a strawberry popsicle. Strawberry's just subtle. The juice levels are perfect. The liquor's not too aggressive. It's one of those that I'm gonna be like, and another one. Gotta get it.
This is where we have to say goodbye. Thank you for joining us at Calavera, right here in Oakland. Thanks my special guest, Armand, who happens to work over at Drake's. And we're gonna say, salud.
Salud, my dude.